Tonight, we're not just discussing a military deal, we're witnessing a nation's ambition. Bangladesh's Forces Goal 2030 is clear. By 2026, the Air Force must be modern, three-dimensional, and ready to defend its skies. They're not just buying weapons, they're building them, aiming to own tomorrow's technology. Self-reliance is essential. The Air Force knows the old ways are obsolete. The tool, unmanned aerial vehicles, drones. Bangladesh signals it's ready to lead, not follow. This is Bangladesh's moment to redefine its future. What are these drones? Not toys, but high-tech, unmanned aerial vehicles, robots of the sky. Controlled from the ground, they're the eyes, ears, and sometimes the fists of a nation. Drones gather information, watch over borders, and protect without risking pilots' lives. In modern warfare, information is power, and drones are the ultimate gatherers. They fly undetected, send live video, intercept communications, and map battlefields. Commanders get a god's eye view, making smarter, faster decisions. But drones aren't just for watching. They're hunters too. UCAVs, or combat drones, carry missiles and bombs for precise strikes. This revolutionizes warfare. Threats can be eliminated without deploying fighter jets. From Afghanistan to Ukraine, drones have changed the rules. No modern air force is complete without them. Bangladesh understands this. Mastering drone technology is now a necessity. Drones allow for smarter, more efficient, and more lethal defense. For Bangladesh, with its unique geography, drones are key to a new era of security. This is about protecting the nation's future. The drone is Bangladesh's gateway to modern air power. Bangladesh isn't just buying drones, it's partnering with China to build them at home. This is a transformation. China shares its drone expertise, helping Bangladesh build its own defense industry. A state-of-the-art facility will assemble and eventually manufacture advanced drones in Bangladesh. This partnership is a leap into the future for Bangladesh's Air Force. The benefits are huge. First, Bangladesh's defense capabilities get a massive boost. Drones will protect maritime zones, fight piracy, and secure borders with round-the-clock surveillance. This isn't just about war, it's about peace and protecting resources. Second, the economy wins. A high-tech drone facility creates hundreds of skilled jobs and sparks new industries. Engineers, developers, and technicians will drive a wave of industrial growth. This is about building an ecosystem, not just assembling drones. Third, technology transfer. Working with China, Bangladesh gains know-how to build, maintain, and design next-gen drones. This knowledge spreads to universities, labs, and startups, inspiring a new generation of innovators. It's the foundation for a digital Bangladesh. Long-term, mastering drone tech means independence from foreign suppliers. Bangladesh can customize, produce, and even export drones. This is the path to strategic autonomy and regional influence. The drone deal is a catalyst for a national upgrade. It's not just defense, it's transformation. This is Bangladesh's great leap forward. Every big move brings questions, especially about getting close to China. The world is a chessboard. Every decision has consequences. There are concerns about dependence on a single country for critical defense tech. What if political winds shift? What about tech security? These are real challenges. Dhaka must balance opportunity with geopolitical realities. Bangladesh's foreign policy is friendship to all, malice toward none. The drone deal will be watched closely by India and the US. Bangladesh must reassure partners. This is for defense, not aggression. Integrating drones requires new training, systems, and mindsets. The Air Force must invest in people as much as machines. The rewards outweigh the risks. This is a strategic, forward-looking decision. Bangladesh is acquiring a future, not just drones. This step will redefine its role in South Asia. The world is watching as Bangladesh rises.